viewers, welcome back Creative Souls. In today's video, we are diving into a world of elegance, sparkle and handmade magical. We are creating DIY elegant Christmas ornaments and wall hanging that will make your home look festive, jazzy and heartwarming is upcoming Christmas event. Whether you love natural tones, metallics or touch of rustic charm, these ideas will inspire you to decorate beautifully without spending much. So grab your crafting tools, light a candle, and let's turn your space into a cozy Christmas wonderland. So my dear friends, let's begin with DIY Christmas ornaments, the light timeless piece that bring beauty to your tree or gift wrapping. So here is idea number one. Minimalist gold and white bubbles. Take plain clear ornaments and fill them with white feathers or glitter. Paint the outside rim with a golden brush stroke. You can even add initial using a gold maker. It's minimal yet sophisticated. Perfect for a modern Christmas theme. Idea number two is burlap a lace ornament. Wrap a small ball ornament with a strip of burlap fabric, then tie it with lace and a teeny pearl bead in the center. This one gives a rustic, elegant farmhouse vibe, charming, natural, and stylish. Idea number three is crystal and ribbon drop ornaments. Using transparent beads or fox crystals, string them on a silver wire. Add a satin ribbon loop at the top. When the light hit him, they shimmers beautifully. Hang them near fairy lights on the tree for that luxurious glow. Cut soft fabric circle, layer them and stitch a button in the center. Add a small jute loop to hang. It's a simple, elegant and look handmade with love. A craft that brings only warmth to your decoration. So let's we are going to Christmas wall hanging. Take a circle wire of embroidery hoop, wrap it halfway with leaves or artificial pine branches. Add white flower, gold bell or silk ribbon bow. The half decorated design look balanced, artistic and modern. Using jute rope, create long tassel, add white wooden beads between them, tie all tassels to a wooden stick and finish with a metallic string for hanging. It's a simple yet look like something from a high-end home decoration. If you love macrame, create a small piece with cream cotton cord, decorate it with mini ornaments, snowflakes or balls. It brings soft texture and elegance to your festive wall. Cut a star shape from thick paper for felt white, silver or gold. String them on thread and hang them across your wall or free place. Add small fairy lights to make it sparkle during evening. Here are few pro tips to make your craft look extra elegant. Use natural tones, white being gold and silver always look glazy. Add metallic accent, gold leaf or spray paint can instantly transform simple craft. Combine natural materials, jute, cotton, dried flower with shiny for a perfect balance between rustic and chic. Using soft light, warm fairy lights make everything look cozy and magical. Crafting during Christmas is not just about decorating, it's a very way to relax, express creativity, and enjoy mindful moments. So, when you make something with your hands, so bring your energy and love into your home. It's calming, reduce stress, and fills your heart with joy when you see your handmade decoration shining under the Christmas light. You can even turn this into a small business idea, selling handmade ornaments, wall hanging, or personalized Christmas gifts online or at market. People will love unique handmade pieces that tell a story.